playing something called puppy tag with one of my favorite dogs, Gus. So as you can see, guys, he is being obsessed with chasing me right now, guys. So are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! No! No, guys, no! Oh, guys, I wasn't it. Oh no! Please see, this isn't good. Please.
Nymeria, stop!
No!
No! Leave that baby alone! Hey, I just said no. I said leave him alone.
Oh, God, guys. Round 2.
Go.
A puppy tag ready, set, go. Oh, guys, look at it. No. Oh my God, Gus, you're back. Oh shoot! No! Ah! Guys? Oh no! Guys! That buys me some time to love this scare. No! Guys, I didn't get tagged, guys. I didn't get tagged. Oh. Ready. Amira, thanks for holding him for a puppy tag. Thanks for helping me. Oh, guys! Guys, he should be coming. Nymeria, leave him alone. Wow. Hey. Puppy tag? Oh no. Guys? No! What? No! No! Oh shoot. Gus is gonna tag. Yeah! I didn't get tagged! I didn't get tagged! Guys, that was close. I'm winning against puppies.
Alright, here it comes.
Guys, oh no, guys, no. No, guys, no. I didn't get tagged. I can't reach him. No. She took him out. This is the funniest thing. Just let me do puppy tag. I need to do puppy tag. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Guys, I almost fell. Guys, if you didn't see, he was so close to me. Guys, he's so sad. Guys, this is the funniest thing in the world. Guys, you ready? Set. Ready for puppy tag, Gus? Gus, you ready for puppy tag? Alright. Oh! Get here! We're gonna die! No. Oh no. Guys, we won the round of puppy tag. No. Oh, they're having a fight. No. Is he catching up? Oh my gosh, he's moving. No. Oh, guys, he's an abusive mother. You lost your mother choices, Nymeria. Guys, oh my God, please see. Oh my God. Oh, you guys. Oh. Guys. Oh, hi. Oh. Guys, say hi. Say hi to Gus. Guys, he's obsessed with me, guys. He's angry that he can't get up there. Guys. Puppy time. Ready? Whoa, guys. He's not really my actual puppy. Oh, guys. Guys. Oh, my God, guys. That was the video for today of puppy tag, guys. If you want to see more puppy tag when Gus comes over, maybe next time it will be Nymeria. Subscribe for more. Oh, guys, no. Subscribe for more.